Alden Richard update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram for Vivo X4 5. Ang gwapo pa ni Alden, pati yung phone. Sabi ni Alden, powering to the hustle with zero hassle. From rehearsal to meetings and everything is between, staying ahead from all the difference. My ultra slim Vivo X4 5 moves as fast as I do. Easy to unfold for work. Seamless to fold for everything. Is built to match my daily grid, you know. Sa ito pa, morning ride ni Alden. And siya sa Rizal, kasama niya si Christopher Martin. And nag-ride siya ng 105 kilometers sa loob ng mahigit 4 na oras. Grabe yun. Ito pa, post ni Tracy and Garcia. And coming soon. And may abangan kay Alden. And Team Alden. Sa ito pa, yung Hello Love Again. And movie na isa sa mga pagpipilian na ilalaban sa Oscar Best International Feature category, no? Ayan, cute pa ni Alden dyan. Ito yung mga video ni Alden. Ganyan ka-friendly si Alden, eh. Mga nakakasalamuha nyo. Ayan ba talaga si Alden? Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.